What's going on, guys and gals? This is me, Tracy. I'm back with another one of my recipes here. This is going to be some of the best guacamole you guys have ever had. I actually didn't, it's not an original idea. It's actually a conglomeration of ideas that I saw online, and I just decided to make it my own. So I want you guys to try it. You know, guacamole is a really good protein source. It's got good fats, no little carbs, no gluten if you're into the gluten-free crap and all that kind of stuff. So just kind of watch me, and you may want to try it at home. Alrighty, we're going to start off with 4 avocados. These were kind of small avocados. I usually just use 2 of them, but they were kind of small. We're going to use 2 Roma tomatoes. You can really use any kind of tomato you want to, but these are 2 medium-sized Roma tomatoes. A whole medium sweet onion. Those are some jalapeno peppers that came out of my garden right there. They're kind of hot. It's about 2 of them cut up. And then we've got about 4 cloves of garlic, got some cilantro, and we got some lemon juice. Alrighty, I'm assuming everybody knows how to open up an avocado. It's real easy. Just take your knife, work it around the seed. That knife blade is hitting the seed itself, and I just kind of take it around, take it and spin it. Take the blade of your knife. Be careful. You don't have to do it this way. You can just take a spoon and get it out, but I usually take the knife, takes it out real easy that way. And then just take you a spoon and make sure that your avocados are, ripe. So you want them to be a little bit firm. Little bit soft to the touch, not firm. You don't want it too soft, but you don't want it too firm either. See how easy that came out? Again, do the same thing to each one of these avocados. I'm going to do that 4 times, and it comes out nice, easy, smells good, very simple to do. Okay, now we're going to cheat a little bit. You can chop up those other vegetables I was telling you about, your tomatoes, your peppers, your onions, your garlic, but we're going to put them in the food processor. I had on gloves a little while ago, guys, because the bag of jalapeno peppers I made, if you touch that bag and then forget about it and touch your face, it will burn like hell. Seriously. And I just didn't do it. So we're going to let this pulse a couple of times. You don't want it watery. You just want everything chopped up. So I did that about maybe 10, 12 times or so. The more homemade it looks, the better it looks. Okay, now we're going to just pour our little mixture into a strainer. Just get everything out that you can. The sink's clean, so don't think the sink's all dirty and stuff. I made sure it's clean first. But what we're trying to do is to remove some of this moisture from it. Make sure we take that out. And it's got quite a bit of moisture in it. See the moisture falling from it? So we're just trying to remove most of that moisture so you don't have watery guacamole. Oh, I didn't realize I was doing that. Okay, now, since it's still recording, I didn't mean for it to record. We're going to take our avocados and mash them up. You can do this with a fork as well too. Again, you don't want to mash it like mashed potatoes. You still want a few little chunks in there. Okay, we're going to add our tomato pepper mixture into with it. Get our fork here. We're going to put just a little bit of cilantro in there, about a about a tablespoonful of cilantro. And we're going to put about 2 tablespoonfuls of lemon juice. You can use lime juice. I'm just eyeballing it. That was about 2 tablespoonfuls. And then we're just going to mix it. Mix it real good. Doesn't that look good? It smells delicious here. And you take your little taste of it. Delicious. Needs a little salt. Spicy as heck. This is a mixture of salt and pepper and garlic and onion. We'll grab us another spoon here. Mix some more. And that's it, guys. This is the best guacamole I have ever made. And the bad part is, I'm making it. That'll probably be all that I eat. My wife will probably eat every bit of this right here. Again, try the recipe. Let me know if you like it. Peace.